Hey beautiful people, come with me to make some banana pudding. So I started off with that vanilla pudding mix. I did about 1.5 cups of milk because I didn't have any more. Half of the block of the cream cheese and a little bit of that condensed milk. I didn't want this banana pudding to be overly sweet because I just don't like super sweet stuff. Y'all, I was trying to mix everything with this little Target mixer from the deal section, but it was struggling and I was struggling. So then I was like, oh, let me just do it with my hand mixer. No, I continued to struggle. So ultimately, I just brought out my actual hand mixer to mix up the whipping cream, just to make a really nice cream for the layers. You can use Cool Whip if you prefer, but I do not like Cool Whip, so I prefer just to whisk up my heavy cream into some stiff peaks and use that instead. Chop, chop, chop your bananas, but don't chop your finger off. And these damn bananas kept getting stuck on the knife. And then I mashed up this little banana and put it in my mix because I actually like bananas in my banana pudding. It's so damn weird when y'all don't add bananas in your banana pudding. That's weird to me. So I just basically layered the banana pudding. I had no rhyme. I just did whatever the hell came to my mind at the moment, and I just went with what I did, honestly. Because you can see at one section I layer it one way, and then the other one I did it another way. So honestly, however you want to do it. Lastly, I just layered it with the whipping cream, put some Nilla wafers, and stored that baby in the fridge. Give it a couple love taps. So what I made last night?
Yeah.
What I've been saying that I wanted.
Banana pudding?
I made it myself. Since you ate the other one you brought me the other day.
Keyword, the other one you brought me. I brought
Then
you
you said,
some.
I brought you banana pudding.
I did.
And
I brought it.
a spoon? A little spoon.
I didn't say it was a whole banana pudding. I said I brought you banana pudding. There was.
That's what I'm talking about. The moment of truth.
Okay.
I made this on myself.
I know. Remember that thing that we had the other day? And I was like, it says banana and it doesn't taste like banana. This tastes like banana. Ooh, this is the flavor I wanted. It's good. You did a good job.
Oh my god. It's hitting the spot.
Bro.
So good.